Oh, hey guys, this is my new premium Subway 2013. I'm going to do a bike check on it now. I'll start off with the wheels. The wheels are a Samsara wheel set with the new CK tyres from Chat Curly. The frame size is 20.75 inch. It also has an integrated head tube and has a mid BB shell. It has a built-in pivotal mount to the frame, as you can see here. The forks are tapered, just stock tapered forks. The bars are 8.25 rise, and it has a front load top alloy stem. The cranks are 3-piece chromoly 175mm cranks with sealed mid BB. The pedals are Odyssey twisted. The rims are Alienation PBR. As you can see, I got some blue nipples on it as well. It weighs 24.5 pounds, a bit heavier than my last bike. I brought it from Winstanley's BMX for about £230. The extra parts on it are the Federal mid seat, I got it all in black, and the new United Stealth pegs. I got them on the left hand side because I'm right foot forward. That's something to take into account when you're getting pegs. Which foot you have forward, you have it on the opposite side. Right, thanks for watching guys. See you later.